The other thing I want to quickly talk about is when the limit does not exist. It can be various situations. You already know, like you have a graph like that, right? Or you can have something going up, and on the other side, it's going down. It's going like this on both sides, or it's going down on both sides. In all these cases, the limit does not exist. Because when we say limit exists, we're talking about a finite value. So in all of these cases, the limit does not exist. But for these two scenarios, we have a special way to say it. If we say here limit is positive infinity, means it's growing unbounded from both sides. And here it is falling or decreasing unbounded from both sides. But still, the limit is not finite. There is no finite limit. And in particular, this case, it does not exist. We cannot say infinity or negative infinity because it's different from two sides. So I want to take one problem and quickly show what I'm trying to show, because you may not be plotting a graph when you're trying to find the limit. And if you're able to, if you just say does not exist, you're right. Sometimes we can say these, but we have to be careful. So let's say if I have, yeah, for sure it doesn't exist, because it is, if you plug in, you get like 4/0, right? So does not exist is a good answer. But is it positive infinity or negative infinity? So if you look at limit x tends to 2 minus, which is from left side, right? So numerator is close to 4, which is positive, and denominator x is less than 2, so denominator is negative. It's getting close to 0, but it stays negative. So 4/0 negative is negative infinity, right? And if we take limit x tends to 2 positive, now the denominator is positive because x is bigger than 2. And numerator is also positive. So it is getting close to 4/0, but the whole thing is positive. So this is positive infinity. And if the left hand and the right hand limit are different, then the limit does not exist. We cannot say it's positive infinity or negative infinity. The question is not asking you to find left hand or right hand limit, but in this case, it is crucial that you pay attention to that. Otherwise, if you write this as positive infinity, then the answer is wrong.